In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Robinhood options. This guide will walk you through each step so you can start trading options with confidence. Let's dive in. First, you need to open the Robinhood app. Log into your Robinhood account using your credentials. Make sure you're connected to a secure network for safety. Once logged in, tap on the account icon. It looks like a person symbol. This icon is your gateway to accessing your account settings and personal information. Now let's head over to the investing settings. Tap on the menu or settings icon, which might resemble three horizontal lines. From the list of options, select Investing. This section is where you can manage your investment preferences and explore new opportunities. Scroll down until you find Options Trading. This section is crucial if you're looking to expand your trading activities beyond stocks. Tap on Get Options Trading or Enable Options Trading. This step is vital because options trading is not automatically enabled. You need to express interest to begin the process. Next, you'll need to complete the application. Robinhood will ask you a series of questions. These questions will cover your investing experience, income level, financial knowledge, and risk tolerance. This information helps Robinhood determine your options trading level approval. It's essential to answer honestly, as these questions assess your readiness for options trading. After completing the application, you must wait for approval. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few days. Robinhood will notify you once your application is reviewed. If approved, you're all set to start trading options. If your application is rejected, it might be due to a lack of investing experience or incomplete information. You can always update your info and try again later. Once you're approved, you will notice some changes in your app. Options trading will be enabled on stock pages. You'll see a Trade Options button inside stocks like AAPL or TSLA. This allows for easy access to options trading right from the stock detail page. This little step ensures that all the tools you need are at your fingertips. Before we wrap up, here are some important notes to consider. Options trading is high risk. There's a potential to lose your entire investment, so proceed with caution. Beginners are usually approved only for basic strategies such as calls and puts. These are simpler strategies that carry less risk. Advanced strategies, however, require higher approval levels. You should only pursue these if you're fully confident in your understanding of the risks involved. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now ready to enable options trading on Robinhood. Remember, trading options can be a powerful tool, but it requires a solid understanding of the market and its risks. Take your time to learn and gain confidence. Thank you for watching this guide on how to enable Robinhood options. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on making the most out of your trading experience. Happy trading!